It will come as a surprise to many, but scientists say that most inventions happen by accident when no one expects them. For example, someone can drop something on the floor, break it, then think of a revolutionary method to prevent these types of accidents. This means that any one of us can invent something new if we keep our minds engaged. So in this video, we are going to show you the 7 ingenious inventions you've never seen before. The video is going to be amazing, so make sure you stick to the end. Number 1. Nemo's Garden. The installation, known as Nemo's Garden, is an experiment meant to test the viability of underwater greenhouses. The submerged biospheres consist of plastic domes rigged up with hydroponic equipment, plant seeds, and air-circulating fans. Each dome is like a miniature space station, says Sergio Gambarini, the inventor of Nemo's Garden and the CEO of Ocean Reef, a US-Italian company that primarily makes scuba diving equipment. Gambarini's hope is to help arid coastal countries grow more food without the costly need to desalinate water for crops. Number 2. Sugru. If you love creative fixing and making little day improvements around the home, you're going to love this award-winning moldable glue. It's super easy to control, and unlike liquid glues, it won't ooze and drip all over the place. Simply mold it by hand, stick it where you need it, and it sets strong by turning into a durable, flexible silicone rubber. Turn your everyday fixes into decorative features. With Sugru, simple problems become creative adventures. Choose from 10 seriously playful Sugru coolers to make like new invisible repairs or create eye-catching embellishments. Fix and decorate all kinds of things like ceramics, pottery, and earthenware. Sugru also happens to be dishwasher-proof. Number 3. Velo Luggage. Use one bag that does it all when you have the Velo 3-in-1 expandable hard-side luggage. This suitcase can actually switch between 3 sizes: 16 small carry-on, 22 medium check-in, and 26 large check-in. With a water-resistant PU exterior, it can withstand light rain even after expanding. Its durable and sleek design expands due to its extra-wide pop-up handle and the buttons on the top. Simply press the button and then either pull to expand or compress to reduce the size of Velo in seconds. Furthermore, its aerospace-grade aluminum frame, customized adjustable dividers, laptop bag, and packing cues all come together to make this the luggage you can own for life. Use Velo on any trip, regardless of duration and distance, and say goodbye to switching between and storing multiple suitcase sizes at home. Number 4. Kuka Omnimove. The Kuka Omnimove mobile heavy-duty platform can move your XXL loads with ease. The Kuka Omnimove can be controlled manually or move autonomously. Despite its enormous size and payload capacity, it navigates safely, moving virtually independently. You can also optionally expand it with a self-contained energy supply. Specially developed wheels allow that heavy-duty mobile platform to move in any direction, even from a standing start. The sophisticated navigation system Kuka Navigation Solution ensures autonomous maneuvering without risk of collision and without requiring artificial floor markings. The Kuka Omnimove can be freely scaled in size, width, and length within a modular system, just the way you need it. Number 5. Milda. By installing silicone pads on your Milda lock, unexpected scratches or markings during installation can be prevented, with better attachment grip to your door surface. Preventing the entry of moisture when assembling in humid conditions such as the bathroom, the silicone pad helps to keep the lock in top condition for longer. With each X1, Milda lock get 10 silicone pads with the Milda Bundle X5 and 20 silicone pads with Milda's Full House Pack X10. Number 6. O2 Trainer. Don't let the simplicity fool you. This device works wonders. Engineered to increase inspiratory, inhalation, muscle endurance, the portable O2 trainer can be used while doing nearly any exercise. Whether you're running, weightlifting, or rock climbing, the O2 trainer will train your lungs and body to perform at a high level, using less oxygen and increasing your lung volume. For working out, change the restriction of airflow by using the 10 number caps provided. Number 7. Pyrolance. Firefighters have received a new tool which could prove to be a unique way to battle fires. particularly those which are not easy to access or are behind surfaces which cannot be penetrated. Coming on the completely opposite end of Elon Musk's flamethrower, we now see the Pyrolance, a water hose which is capable of cutting through concrete and even metal. A hose is so powerful that the water jet can cut through concrete and even metal. This would therefore allow firefighters to access areas within planes or even buildings which are not possible through traditional methods. The hose rather ingeniously blasts at a 6 mm radius, while also having much lower power water sprinklers to cool the surface, which, particularly on metal, would get amazingly hot under such pressure. This is even despite the fact that its water is being blasted at it. Let us know your opinion in the comments section below. This was all for today. Hope you liked the video. Do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Stay safe, and we will be back soon with another video.